Hey, what's up you guys? So today I am back with another video, and as you all can tell by the title, today I will be making my second favorite dish ever, which is a salmon rice bowl. So we're just gonna go and get into it, y'all. Okay y'all, so first things first, we're gonna get into what you all will need for this salmon bowl. So I have all of my ingredients and things that I need right here. So first off, y'all, we're going to need some fresh filet salmon. I got this from Kroger's. I got this size because I think that'll be, good enough for me. So the next thing you're gonna need is some sort of rice. Fun fact about me, y'all, I'm a bad rice cooker. So you can get any type of rice. I personally like this rice. It takes just like regular rice, just take less time. But you can use any type of rice that you want, but this is just what I prefer to use. Next thing you're gonna need, you really don't need this, y'all, but this is personally what I like. You can get some organic seaweed snack. Then you're gonna need your seasonings. Today I'm gonna use Mediterranean herb and Raging Cajun, some pepper, some accent salt if you want it. With my rice bowls, I always have to incorporate some type of vegetable. I'm gonna incorporate avocado, and then I'm also going to incorporate some zucchini. The next step we're going to do, you guys, is basically rinse our salmon off really good and rinse our vegetables off really good, and then we're going to start to chop it up. I go on and on again. He blowing on my phone, but I'm ignoring him. He thinking he the one, I got like 4 of him. Yeah, I'm sitting first class like bad Victorian. Came a long way from rag to riches. 5-star bitch, yeah, I taste so delicious. Let them lick the plate, yeah, I make them do the dishes. Now you on new smoke, cause of people missing. Like mention on the plate, I'm about to make them wanna bite. I just wanna have a good, just wanna have a good night. Oh, you gotta let them go. Anybody, boss, you could do what you want. Okay, now you guys, so we're gonna start seasoning our salmon. So I already showed y'all like the seasonings that I'm gonna season it with. So I'm first gonna start off with some pepper, because just a little bit, because half of these seasonings already have salt and pepper in it, so I don't want to overdo it. So we just gonna put just a little. Then we're gonna take some Tones Mediterranean and herb right here. Let's put it on this. It's gonna give it that little herby flavor. And then we're going to go in with the Raging Cajun original season, because we want that little kick, and we just gonna put a little on here also, but yeah. And then the last thing to wake your food up, y'all know I love this, live by this. We're gonna go in with some accents on, just a little though. A little to me is a lot, so yeah. And then we're gonna get a little dirty. We're gonna mix it all together. Make sure it's seasoned really well. I feel like I need a little bit more. Just a little. Make sure it's coated really well. Now we're talking. Now y'all, I'm actually gonna put my salmon in the air fryer this time, because I just want to see how it's gonna taste. So I have my air fryer right here. I'm gonna take some cooking spray and spray it down really good first, and then I'm gonna put in the salmon bites. So we're just gonna spray it really good. So now that it's sprayed pretty good, y'all, we're gonna take them and just place them in here gently. And since this is seafood does not take a long time to cook. I'm probably gonna leave it in for like 20 minutes. The max is probably gonna be like 25. So now we're gonna pop this in here. We are going to cook this on for about 20 minutes. And it is on setting, I think it's between 400 and 360. Now y'all, we're gonna head to the stove and we're gonna work on our zucchini, and then we're gonna work on our rice. The rice is probably gonna be last, y'all, because the rice takes 5 minutes, so it don't really take that long versus everything else. So let's head to the stove. Okay, you guys, so now we're at the stove. I just put some butter in our pan. So now I'm gonna toss in our zucchini, and I'm just gonna season it just a little bit, and yeah, we're gonna start cooking it. I'm kind of gonna use the same seasons that I use for like the salmon, y'all, cause like, yeah, I don't want the flavor to taste different at all. So I'm just gonna add a little bit, not too much of the vegetables though, cause you know, they're vegetables. What is this, y'all? I left the dang zucchini thing in here. Now we're gonna stir this up really good, make sure all the seasonings, you know, is together. And we just gonna let this simmer just a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna steam mine a little bit. I'm gonna take some broth. You can take chicken broth, beef broth, or vegetable broth, any type of broth you want to do this process, or you can just skillet fry it. But I personally prefer mine to have like a little steam or whatever. So I'm gonna let these simmer just a little bit, and I'm gonna put the top on it so that, you know, it can simmer real good. And yeah, so now we're finishing on our salmon. Okay guys, so now we're back over here with the salmon, and we're gonna check on it really quick and see where it's set right now. It's probably been it's been a few minutes. I think it got like 11 or 12 more minutes left, but it may not even need too much. Okay, so we're looking pretty good. Looks very, very good. I do think it needs a little bit more time, but not that much time on it. So we finna let it just finish out its full 11 minutes left. Okay, y'all, so now we're gonna check on our zucchini. The zucchini is basically done now, y'all. Like, this is what I mean when I say like kind of like steamed or whatever. This is what I mean. It's done now, so we can cook this off. Now we're gonna start on the rice. I already put some water in the pot, and I'm going to measure out how much rice I need. Or I'm just gonna wing it honestly, because yeah, I know. But until this water starts boiling, y'all, we're gonna go check on the salmon, because I think the salmon is quite ready. Okay, you guys, so now we're back over here with the salmon. We're gonna look and see how it looks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna try this. We're gonna taste it. This looks so good. I'm gonna try some off the dish, y'all. This looks so good. Put this down because it's hot. We're gonna turn this off. Safety first. Turn our eyes off. We gonna see. Oh my god, y'all, this tastes real good. Okay, so now y'all, since the zucchini is done, we're gonna try some. I'm gonna try this one because this one is kind of mushed up, but it's fine. I like mine with a little crunch and a little mush, so we're gonna try it. I'm gonna put this down first because it's hot. That's good. That's real good. I'm gonna try another piece. It's flavorful. It's not doing too much. That's what I like. That's how I like my zucchini. I like my zucchini with the perfect crunch and the perfect softness. And I can just taste all of it together, just coming together. I can taste the salmon, I can taste the zucchini, I can taste the rice, I can taste the sauce, I can taste all of it. All of it coming together, y'all. With the seaweed. With the seaweed. We cannot forget the seaweed, y'all. Like, I'm gonna draw now. I'm hungry. Guys, so now that the rice is boiling, I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. I'm just gonna eye it. You know, put in a little in there because I'm the only person that's eating this. So yeah, it says boil water, add rice, stir and remove from heat. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pour some more because I know I don't need this more. Okay, so now it says you have to stir it. Need some more. Okay. So move the heat. We did that. Step 2, pour it in. Step number 3, remove heat, stir rice. So we're doing it now. And then it says to put a little bit for color. So do that. It's supposed to be done in 5 minutes, y'all. So we are almost there. We are almost done, y'all. I didn't add this part in the video, y'all, but I normally eat it with like a sriracha sauce that I make myself, which is basically mayo and sriracha sauce, or you can use onion sauce and sriracha sauce. Tonight I did sriracha sauce and onion sauce because I just like having a little extra spice to it, you know, and that rice and that sauce and that seasoning. I like it all, like I like it all. Okay, you guys, so now everything is basically done. My rice is completely finished. I had to strain it and everything like that. So now we're just gonna take up a bowl like this, and then we're gonna just add the rice. So now y'all, since the rice is added in here, we're gonna add the salmon rice. So it's not hot no more, y'all. So I can clean it. So now, since we added the salmon bites, we're gonna add like our veggies and stuff. I had to cut open the avocado because I personally like to add the avocado like this. So I just really spicy my This is a trick that I learned. I do take a spoon, y'all, like this, and just kind of scoop it out of there. Like this is like a little trick. And then you have a nice avocado. So yes, with this, I do like to eat the whole avocado, but I like to slice it first. So we're gonna do that. So this is how it's looking. Now we're just gonna add the avocado to our dish. I'm gonna just add it like so. I try to spread it out like it's a flour, y'all, but this is the best way I can do it. So this is how we're looking so far. Now you guys, we're finna add our sauce that I made. Okay, you guys, so now we're finna taste test it. As you all can see, this is how it looks, y'all. It looks so freaking good, and I'm just so excited to try it. Like, look at this. Okay, y'all, so got my seaweed ready, got my fork, got everything, and we've just finna dig in. I don't know where to start first. I think I'm gonna start with some rice and some zucchini. Put it on this to make like a little taco or whatever. I'm gonna try it like here. Bro. Okay, you guys, so this is the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. If y'all want to see me cook some more, please just stay tuned, because I will have more cooking videos coming, because I just absolutely love making cooking videos. And all the ingredients and stuff like that will be down below in my little bio. And I love y'all, and I hope y'all have a great day.